Hey everyone, and welcome back to Web Solution Master. Today we're diving into a super useful but often overlooked feature of WordPress RSS feeds. You might be wondering, what's an RSS feed and why should I care? Well, stick around because by the end of this video, we'll see how it can be a game changer for keeping your audience engaged and your content distribution automated. So what exactly is RSS? It stands for really simple syndication. Think of it as your personal content delivery service. When you publish a new blog post, your RSS feed automatically updates. Anyone subscribed to your feed gets notified instantly without having to visit your site every day to check for new content. It's a fantastic way to build a loyal following and ensure your latest posts land directly in front of the people who want to see them. The best part? WordPress has this functionality built in. You don't need to be a coding genius to get it working. In fact, your WordPress site already has an RSS feed. The default URL is super simple. Just take your website's main address and add feed to the end. For example, if your site is myasamasite.com, your RSS feed is at myasamasite.com/feed. Go ahead, try it in your browser. You'll see a page of code, which is exactly what our RSS readers use to pull your content. Now, you might want to create feeds for specific categories or tags. This is just as easy. For a category, navigate to that category page on your site and add feed to the end of the URL. The same principle applies to tags. This allows you to offer more niche subscription options for your audience. Maybe someone only wants your posts about marketing, not your posts about web design. Custom feeds make that possible. Let's talk about how you can use this on your own site. One of the coolest things you can do is display content from other sources on your WordPress website using an RSS widget. This is called content aggregation. Imagine you run a news site and want to feature the latest headlines from a major news organization. As long as they have an RSS feed, you can pull their content directly onto your sidebar or footer. To do this, head to your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, and then Widgets. Look for the RSS widget. Drag it to your desired widget area, like your sidebar. Now, you'll need to configure it. The first field asks for the RSS feed URL. This is where you'll paste the feed address from the site you want to feature. Next, give your feed a title something like Latest Industry News. You can also choose how many items to display, whether to show the content, author, or date. Once you're done, hit save, and that's it. Your site is now pulling in dynamic content from another source, keeping your pages fresh and providing extra value to your visitors. It's important to remember that by default, WordPress RSS feeds are designed to work with your posts. They don't typically include pages or other custom post types. This makes sense, as feeds are meant for dynamic, chronological content like blog updates, not static pages like your About Us or Contact page. So, if you want something to appear in your feed, make sure you're publishing it as a post. While the built-in RSS functionality is great for getting started, you might eventually want more control. This is where plugins come in. There are some fantastic plugins out there that can take your RSS feeds to the next level. For example, a popular one is Feedsy RSS Feeds. This plugin allows for much more advanced customization. You can create beautiful, grid-based displays of your feed items, use shortcodes to place feeds anywhere in your posts or pages, and even import feed items as actual WordPress posts on your site. This is perfect for auto-blogging or creating a robust content hub. Another great reason to use a plugin is for better management and analytics. Some plugins let you see how many people are subscribed to your feed and which items are most popular. They can also help you integrate images and excerpts more effectively, making your feed more visually appealing in readers like Feedly or The Old Reader. If you're serious about using RSS as a marketing channel, investing some time into a good plugin is definitely worth it. You can even combine or mash up multiple feeds into one single powerful feed. Now, let's talk about why this is so important for audience growth. By creating and promoting your RSS feed, you're giving your readers a direct line to your content. Encourage them to subscribe. You can add a visible RSS icon to your website, link directly to your feed URL, mention it in your newsletters and on social media. The more subscribers you have, the more guaranteed traffic you'll get every time you publish something new. It's a direct algorithm-free way to communicate with your audience. One final tip for maintaining a healthy feed is consistency. An RSS feed is only useful if it's updated regularly. Make a commitment to your content schedule, and your subscribers know they can expect fresh content from you on a regular basis. They're more likely to stay engaged and look forward to your updates. An active feed signals a healthy, active blog, which is great for both users and search engines. So, to recap, your WordPress site already has a powerful RSS feed. You can customize it for specific categories, use widgets to display content on your site, and enhance it with plugins for advanced features. Most importantly, it's an incredible tool for building a direct, reliable connection with your audience. Don't let this powerful feature go to waste. Start exploring your RSS options today and watch your reader engagement grow. I hope this guide was helpful and demystified the world of RSS feeds for you. It's a simple tool with a huge potential impact. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer every single one. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next tutorial. See you in the next one.